Okay, today we are gonna launch VPC using Terraform. So these are the process that we will follow to launch a VPC. Create a network with two subnets, create internet gateway, attach internet gateway to VPC, create two subnets, create a routing table, attach routing table to subnets. So this is the provider code. I've used public cloud AWS. So AZS stands for ACs, that stands for Availability Zone. So we will create one subnet in US East 1A and another in 1. So I think these are the sufficient variables. Now we will create another file, which will launch the VPC.
Let's first try it. Okay. Now let's try.
You can see. Okay. So this VPC is launched just now using Terraform. Next we will create an internet gateway. So this is the code for internet gateway. So just check each and every step that you are not doing wrong. Okay, now I will create attach. Okay, we have created internet gateway and attached internet gateway to VPC using this command. So next step is to create a subnet. So we need to create subnets. So we need this count of 2, but alternatively we can write this using this length var dot subnet CIDR, because we have specified 2 subnet. VPC ID will be the same. Okay, CIDR block. Okay, so what here goes is that for the first subnet, see default value range will be this, and for the second subnet default range will be this. So we will use a trick known as element. Element, where is element? Okay, when you will pass a list and corresponding index, it will return the value in that list. So I will use that same trick here. Element var that subnet CITR and count the index. So what it will do in the first iteration, its value will be 0 and it will return this. In the second iteration, it will return this. Okay. The map public IP to launch we will set to true, so it will give a public IP to each subnet. Okay, we have created a subnet. Now what next step is to, we have created a subnet, we will create a routing table. Okay. Route table, okay. Let's take this and we will change it according to earlier. We don't need IPv6. It will be 0.0.0. So from the inner world we can move to anywhere. AWS Internet Gateway, here will be 0. From the inner subnet we can go anywhere to the outer world. So let's save and check whether whatever we have done till now is correct. In line 29, main expose. So let's save it again. Till now we are going in the right path. Let's check. Next step is that we need to attach route table to each and every subnet. So we have created subnets. Okay, you can see that 2 subnets have been created. We have created an event gateway. Okay, this has been also created. Okay, we have also created a route table through which we can go to anywhere to the outer world, and this is the gateway that will be used. But we can see that in the same note, our route table is still not updated, so we need to associate this route table to each and every subnet. So we need to associate route table. Okay. So let me copy this code. Okay. Since we need to associate route table to each subnet, so we'll again use the concept of loop. So I'm copying this line. Okay. Subnet ID will be AWS subnet dot mean dot, and as we can see here, random subnet name is being given. So we will use anything star.id, so that after its value anything can be there, it will automatically take it. And okay, I think my code has been completed. So let's check whether what we have created is correct or not. Okay, seems that all my code is right. We'll check once again. Okay, you can see that since there are two subnets, we need to attach to all subnets. So we will create a loop. So it will be highlighted on subnet 0 and with the subnet 1. Let's refresh. Let's see whether it's created or not. Okay, I think it's still. I think it's still updating. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, you can see that it's now been updated. Let's check on another one. Okay, so now what we can do is that we can launch our now we can launch various instances in our VPCs and instances, and we can select from here. So when you review and launch, it will launch in this instance will launch in subnet 1 with my nodes. Now destroy our primitives. Destroy. So whatever we have created till now will be destroyed in one go. Okay, let's check. Let's check VPC. Okay, still not deleted. Okay. So you can see that my subnets are deleted. My root tables are deleted. Okay, my gateway is still not deleted. I think it's being deleted. Okay, now okay, you can see that now everything is being deleted. So thank you.